In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 work from home jobs, and also I'm going to be showing you how you can earn $300 plus per day. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I'm going to mention before, I'm going to be showing you 5 work from home jobs that you can start doing right away if this is something that you really want to do. Also, guys, if you want to know what's my #1 recommendation to make money online, check the very first link in the description. Now let me show you everything. Okay, nowadays everybody is looking for an opportunity to work from home. Okay, there are several, and just in case that you don't know how to get started, okay, the very first one that you can take, it's actually being a customer support representative. Okay, there are several companies out there that are actually taking, this position, and one of them is actually this one. It's Foundever. You can go to foundever.com and you can have the opportunity to join them as a customer support representative. Okay, you can click here where it says career here on the top right corner. Okay, and you're gonna have the opportunities to see which are the opportunities that they do have available. Okay, so you're gonna be land here on this page, which is jobs.foundever.com/go and then work from home, and it's pretty long. Okay, and here you're gonna have the opportunity to find a remote job in your country. Okay, please make sure that you're gonna be clicking here. You also have the opportunity to do the search here by your keyword, your location. You can also scroll down and you can see some of the positions that they do have available. Right now, at the time recording this video, this can change. They have 38 positions available. So waste no time if this is something that you're really interested. Here are the titles, here are the location, and the department that you are going to be working on. Okay, this is if you want to be a customer support agent. Also, there is another website that is called T-Tech. Okay, you're going to go to ttechjobs.com and you're going to be landing here on this opportunity or this website. Okay, here they are actually hiring people to work from home as well as a customer service representative. Okay, here you're gonna have the same. You're gonna have the opportunity to actually do a quick search, or you can actually do a quick search by typing in your city, zip code, and they're gonna show you which are the positions that they do have available. Right now, they're working with people in over 6 continents with 50 languages and over 50,000 employees. Okay, so here they have a video of how everything works. Okay, so you are gonna have the opportunity to find your job by going to ttechjobs.com. Okay, here again you can find, or you can be part of actually the community. This is another great opportunity, guys, and this website has been around for a really long time. Okay, so you can go to ttechjobs.com and you can find an opportunity if you really want to be a tech support agent. Right now, on the time recording this video, these are the jobs that they do have available right now, over 120 jobs, okay, in different countries. Okay, here as you can see, all of them has been filtered to work from home. Okay, all of them have been filtered to work from home. So these are remote positions. Okay, it doesn't matter where you are, chances are that you can have an opportunity here. And as you can see here, you can also be a graphic designer, product marketing, but also go with customer service. Okay, that's the very first way that you can go and you can work from home. Second way is by being a data entry. Okay, if this is something that you're interested, you're like really fast at typing, chances are that you're going to be a great fit for being on data entry. 2 websites, actually 3 websites that I can recommend you to go and checks are Upwork. Okay, you can go to upwork.com, you can create your free account, and you can actually have the opportunity not just to be a data entry, but they do have other options here. Okay, so you can click here where it says find a work. You're gonna upload your profile. Again, something really important is that this is something that you can do at no cost. Okay, and this is the very first website that you can go ahead if you want to go and be a data entry. Also, another website that is really popular, it's called Workana. Okay, you can go to workana.com, and you are gonna have the opportunity again to work remotely, and you can be a data entry specialist. Okay, they do have other options available. Okay, you can go here and you can submit your profile by clicking here. I want to be hired as a freelancer. Okay, this website, as the same as Upwork, they have been around for a really long time. Another really popular website that you can use, okay, to go with this data entry jobs is called freelancer.com. Okay, here on freelancer.com, you can click here where it says earn money freelancing. Okay, and you're gonna fill out your information. There are other opportunities that you're gonna have. Okay, and that's actually really important. Okay, that's the second way in which you can actually work from home. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. This is going to be helping me, it's going to be helping my video. Don't forget to subscribe to your channel and hit the notification bell, because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently, and again, I don't want you guys to miss a video. The third way, and this is something like if you feel passionate about, you can teach online. Okay, if you have some kind of expertise and all this stuff, you can start teaching online. You can do so by going, for example, to udemy.com. Okay, here on udemy.com, you're going to have the opportunity to do a course. It can be as in-depth as you want. Okay, and you can literally teach everything. Okay, if you are good at using Microsoft Excel, maybe you have some kind of design skills, okay, some kind of knowledge, you can definitely do that. Here are some of the top categories they do have, but there are other subcategories and more categories as well. So this is definitely a website that you would like to check if you want to become an instructor. Just click here where it says start teaching today. The only thing that you're going to be actually doing is that you're going to be uploading the content. Okay, you're going to set up the price, and they're going to do all the marketing and everything for you. Okay, so this is actually udemy.com. Here are some of the popular categories or trending topics that they do have, just for you to have an idea of what you can actually teach. There is a lot of things that you can actually teach here. Okay, so another website, okay, that you can use, it's this one that it's called Full Mind. Okay, here on Full Mind, you can teach with them as well. Okay, you can click here where it says teach with us, and you're gonna have the opportunity to teach people all over the world. Okay, and this is actually really cool if this is something that you like. Okay, if you love teaching, if you love sharing what you know, but this is more like a teacher. Okay, this one, it's way different than Upwork, because this is more like a teacher, rather than you be sharing what you know. Okay, so that's for you to take into consideration. So another way in which you can actually earn from home, it's actually with this website that's called Help Scout. Okay, you're gonna go to helpscout.com. Here on helpscout.com, you're gonna have the opportunity to have or be part with them with different careers. Okay, they do have different positions. One thing that I really like is definitely their website here. Here what they say is like this, like do your best, work remotely. We have been remote first for over a decade and have teammates for over 115 cities worldwide. We go to great length to set up your success from day one and work hard to keep connections. Okay, So definitely this is a company that knows all about working online. You can explore more about them. They have been online since 2011. Okay, so here if you scroll, you're gonna be learning more about the benefits. It's flexible time off. There is invest in you. You're gonna have health and retire benefits. Okay, a competitive salary, international travels. Okay, so some really good things. If this is something that you're looking for, here you're gonna have the process that you need to go if you want to be part of them. And here are some of the positions that they do have available right now with the salary range. So definitely, if you think that this is something that you would like to go to helpscout.com. Okay, so now the fifth way in which and this is actually my favorite way to work from home, is definitely with affiliate marketing, because right now I'm not trading my time to earn money. This is something that you can do even if you have a full-time job. Okay, and depending on if you're taking this serious, you can replace your job entirely. Okay, let me share with you some of my results. Okay, at the end of the day, these are my results. I'm not guaranteed that these are going to be good results, but just for you to have or put things into perspective to see what is even possible. Okay, this is one of my stream of income. As you can see, I even earn $500, $700, $80, $300. Okay, another of my stream of income is this one. Okay, it's taking some time to load. Okay, it's actually this one. As you can see here, $47,000 they are already pay me. So this is something that I have been doing consistent for a really good time. And also here you're gonna see that I have over $300 in just one day here. Okay, so this is actually something that is actually possible by doing affiliate marketing. But basically what we're doing is that we are promoting other people's products and services. Okay, and it's someone make the purchase, we're going to be earning money. Sometimes there are products in which you're going to be getting paid as a recurring income, so that means that month after month. There are others in which you're going to have the opportunity to even earn even $1,000 sometimes just in one commission. So if you want to learn more about this, how you can actually do this professionally, I'm going to be leaving a link below so you can actually learn more about this. So this is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this content. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Again, don't forget to subscribe to your channel, click the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.